Hi, Corey Nikolic here with First Tactical. We're going to be talking about the Zipper Armor Sling System inside our Pro Duty armor cover. As you can see, I've unzipped both sides, exposing the inside, laying it out flat so it's easy to get to, a lot easier to work on a big table, so it's easy threading. Okay, the inside, you'll see four parts, four small zippers. You're going to take these, undo these, and then flip the flaps outwards, like so. That exposes the interior. On both sides, please. Once you have that all done, now you're going to take your armor in the appropriate carrier that was manufactured by the armor company itself. That does not come out. That stays in. So, in other words, this is only a cover going over the system that you currently have. So it's all supported. If you were not wearing our cover, you could wear the armor by itself. So now take the armor in its carrier and put it inside. I've already disassembled it to make it a little easier. The back goes on the back, body side up. Again, the front goes on the front, body side up. Now, I am going to lace the two tops. I'm going to go ahead and thread this through one side, going to the center with one strap, and then fish the other side through. Make sure it's not twisted. Attach it via manufacturer specifications. They make sure that it's made for your body size. Then go ahead and attach the other side. Lace that first side through, make sure the strap is not curved or twisted, and then attach the other side. Okay, then once it's inside, make sure the armor is in its intended position, straighten it back out, and then take the four flaps, fold them back over the top. You'll then reattach the four zippers. When done, make sure those zipper sliders are in the down position so they don't move on you. Go ahead and pull that out, and you're ready to go. Now, the only thing left is to don your armor. Go ahead, throw this on overhead, and attach both sides. Make sure, again, you're using the manufacturer straps, attaching the front to the back, and then you zip the sides. Thank you very much. Appreciate all your attention. Be safe out there. Corey with First Tactical.